Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone. And welcome to Chris's Caribbean Delights. And I thought to myself, I said, we always need like a little hors d'oeuvre for Christmas Eve, for New Year's Eve and New Year's Day if you're entertaining. And I was thinking, like, what sort of semi-exotic kind of a hors d'oeuvre or snack you can serve to your guests if you're having guests over. And I came up with crab bombs. Like it's like a crab cake, but they just call it crab bombs. And I said I have to put this together, and I have to try it out. And so I have the ingredients. Let's go to those ingredients and make some crab bombs for New Year's, for New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. So here are the ingredients for the crab bombs. Obviously, you need some crab meat. I have some lump crab meat here, and I just sprinkled some garlic paste in there. It's a spicy garlic paste that I made. You just grind up the garlic and the chili peppers and get a nice spicy garlic paste. I have some thyme in there. We have some parmesan cheese and some green stuff. I have some cilantro in there with some thyme. 1 egg, slightly beaten. A quarter cup of a mayonnaise, and we have some butter. We're gonna make like a butter dip, a butter sauce to throw on it once it's done, and that's gonna be great. So let's get to mixing our crab bombs. So we're gonna just season, just to put a little, you don't want to over season your crab meat. So I have just half a teaspoon of bullion powder in there, because you want the crab taste to come through, and you don't want to mask the flavor, the crab flavor. You give this a little mix. I'm gonna add the Parmesan cheese in there. You just sprinkle some green stuff. You only want to see some green stuff in between the mix there. So that's some cilantro. A quarter cup of mayonnaise. And just bring it together. Think I need a big working surface, a larger working surface? I think so. So I got a larger bowl. And we'll put the egg in here now, in the last, and keep it up, bring it all together here. So we're making crab bombs. And if you think it's too it's too liquidy or anything because of the eggs, you can add some breadcrumbs. I'm going to add just a little bit of breadcrumbs in here, just to keep it together. And now it's all mixed. I just added maybe a tablespoon of breadcrumbs, and I'm just going to let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, and we'll be back to make our crab bombs and stick them in the oven. See you then. And here I'm using a cookie scoop. I'll get my crab bombs nice and round. I use the spatula just to, level it off and just to make it nice. And I'm using this oven to table plate, this oven to table plate here. So it's good in the oven, and you can take it straight to the table. Try to make them a little compact, so nice good size crab bombs here. So you're able to get 6 in here. I will put these in the oven, 350, and we'll bake them until they're nice and golden brown, or which should take maybe about 20 to 25 minutes.